Good shit. Oh, fuck, bud. That was a fucking good one, eh? Nice, dude. Check this one out.
Mama, what was that noise outside?
There's a shooter outside. Lock the door.
A shooter? I'm right here, you missed!
Troy, Daniel, get your fucking ass in.
I'm right here, you missed! Shoot me!
I'm Spider-Man.
It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the when I die.
Got Vin Diesel out here.
Whoa. Oh, look at him. Oh, shit. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Fucking hit my
Goodwill challenge. One. Oh, and stop. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. One. And stop. Yo. Oh. One. And stop. Oh, yo. Stop. Oh, yo. We got the last one. Go. Oh, stop. Oh. Turn around, turn around.
This part of Avengers bothers me so much. The fate of the universe is all on him.
Back.
Tell me what you
What's up, my boy? What's up with you, my boy? Missed you, dude. Missed you too, dude. What's that shit? My mom's iPhone.
Guys, moving together. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, your son's using gang signs. I can't take a photo.
a guy.
Once again, moving together. 3, 2, 1.
Easy, easy, easy. Doesn't. What? What? Hey, what do you mean? So what? What this?
Alright, guys, just a mum and a son. 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, last shot. Moving together. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Hey! Hey! Let's go! Hey, Kane! Kane! Hey! Let's go! Catch the whoa! Kane! Catch it! Catch the whoa! Boo! Hey! Catch the whoa! Catch the whoa! Catch the whoa! Hit the whoa! Yeah! Catch, catch, catch. Catch. Nay, nay. Hey! Catch. Okay! That's two. Hey! Catch. Hey! Hey, notice. Catch. Yeah!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Is he okay?
Are you good, Danny?
Oh my god. Someone's gonna drown. Oh my god.
He's gonna drown.
Where's Dad?
One more. Danny.
Danny, get up!
Mason, put that down. Look, watch. Turn this into a 6 using only one line. Go.
Got this?
Let's see, can you do it? Done.
Can I erase anything?
Nope. Can you do it? Come on.
I don't think I can.
Okay,
What is it?
let me show you. Ready? You're gonna feel dumb. Ah, it's 6.
And one of them, they were talking about fondue. I was like, what? What is this? Is this flour? Are you,
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
He hate trying to blemish my image. They want the smoke, 2 to 3 count with the scope, and still they clip long as a rope. We wipe his nose, just like he had him a cold. I knew the boy was a hoe.
These men I be banging, penis be slanging, mega dick Sam is the one I be claiming. He
Do you have TikTok? Because I didn't watch this. Renegade, I feel like I did too much. Whoa! Why did I pick this kid? He's so annoying. Get out! Shut up! You're the one that took me here. Now let's make a TikTok. Didn't even know his name.
Sophia?
Yeah?
Did you take my phone?
No.
Ew, why does she look like that? Could you go back in and change, please?
Why?
You look disgusting.
What the fuck? Why would you?
Alright, Mom.
Don't get me wet.
Let me see the broom. Well, put your hand up.
You better, let me tell you something. You better get my ceiling wet. Jordan, I'm not doing that.
Alright, keep it right there.
I'm not doing that, Jordan.
Alright, now get it down.
What? Jordan, I'm not playing with you, son, if you don't come and get this water off my ceiling. Am I supposed to get this down for real?
Yeah.
Don't tempt me, because I will get it down. You come hold this. Do you hold this?
I can.
How am I supposed to get it down if you don't hold? Get back up there and get this thing.
Siri, how do you say seal in French?
Fuck.
Fuck. This is a cute baby fuck with his ugly mother.
You gotta go farther towards me, though. Yeah. Go. You're gonna come down soon, Corey. I am coming down soon. Wait, do the other side. Do the other side. Oh my gosh. Dude, you stuck with a lady. Bro. You straight up.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's go.